mean, it's much more fun.
Right.
Yeah.
I think it's also a lot of spontaneity in this.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, because otherwise, you know how we do a video, then we redo it, and then we redo it, and we redo it, and yeah, this looks good, now let's post that.
Content looks better in the videos. Not in live.
No, so Radhika, I want to come to you. Aaj ki tareekh mein, and I was just googling your name on Google to see, you know, what's making news around your name and stuff like that. So Google predicts, right? आप क्या type करना चाहते हैं? Radhika लिखा, आपके दिखा दिया. By the time I finished writing आपके, the first thing that it automatically predicted was Radhika आपके अमन. Okay. A, did you remotely think it's going to be such a crazy viral hit? That is question number one. Number two, how has live feedback, reception changed after Ahal?
I did not expect that. I actually did not expect that at all.
So for people who don't know what Ahalya is,
so Ahalya is a short film that is directed. It's directed by Sujoy Ghosh. I think it's a 14-minute short film. Only on YouTube, and we made it as a fun film. Yeah, we just were like, okay, let's go shoot for 3 days and make short film. And Sujoy and I have been wanting to work with each other. And then, so yeah, it came out, and the next 3 days my phone didn't stop ringing.
Wow.
It was bizarre. I was like, yeah, I had 2 film releases.
Yeah,
yeah, exactly. I was like, it didn't feel like stop ringing, and I sort of got a bit fried after the 3 days. I was like, I can't do more interviews because it was constant, like, and it wasn't stopping. And I was at that time I was touring with a play of mine and going in the smaller parts in Maharashtra. And people stopped. I was buying some fruit. People stopped cars, and I said, "You've done Ahalya," and I was like, "It's amazing that you know Ahalya, but you don't know the other films that I know." But everybody knew Ahalya, and after shows also people used to go. I don't understand, and that's the power of.
Has that been your penny drop moment in your mind? That OMG, digital is so vast,
yeah,
it's so expansive.
Like totally, I did not know how powerful it was, and literally, Ahalya, I realized that going viral means this.
Correct.
And it was amazing.
I have to confess something. I saw it trending for 2 days, then I went and saw it, and I made a video about it.
Oh, wow.
Oh really?
Yeah, I
Like a video response to
Yeah, I made fun of the.
in shopkeeper.
Yeah, not good.
Yeah, I want to watch it.
I've forgotten what exactly. It was like she goes to the shop and she says, "Shopkeeper, Ayurvedi," and then she says, "Doll fair." तो एक बार doll गिरा दी, doll fair. ये stone है, stone से आदमी doll बन जाता है. She goes into dumpster and says, "Baby doll में छोड़ी थी." So I made a very, very random video, but yes, that was the power of the hashtag which I saw. Ahalya is trending. If I make something about it, it is bound to be seen by more people.
You can ride that.
So you do plan these things. What is trending? I don't do it all the time, but yes, I do keep it in my mind. So to talk about things which people are talking about. So
that's a great learning, right?
That's
from him to really ride what is organically trending.
And if you are good, you'll sail with it.
Absolutely. I mean, बशर्ते आपका content अच्छा है. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कुछ भी कर दिया. I actually want to come to you, Ruchi, about content. You know, a lot of people, and that's the nature of internet, not just in India, globally. A lot of people have misconceptions. Hi, pretty girl, just put her in front of the camera. My God, there's anyway going to be landslide views. Everyone's going to love it. People are going to throw positive stickers. But I've seen you prepare for your shows. Just take us through that process. It's not just a pretty girl in front of a camera. Content is more important than anything else, right?
Absolutely. So half of the times people think that now that it is live video, so you just put on your phone or your camera or whatever, and you just go live and you talk random stuff. But then that is just not the case. If you have to sit live in front of camera, every 2 minutes it feels like 20 minutes, you know. So if you have to beam for 40 minutes, you have to at least prepare for 2 hours in advance.
Wow.
And more than that, as far as the pretty girl is concerned, अगर आप एक दुकान में जाते हैं, you see whatever they have displayed in the showcase. You will go inside the shop for sure, but then you will not buy if the stuff is not good inside. So अगर खरीदना है तो आपको अंदर content तो देना पड़ेगा. So beauty with brains is the lethal combination. So yeah, that is why it works. Otherwise, no. Just once or twice people will come in and then they will just go.
They just sample you, but they won't become
right.
And 15,000 fans is testimony to the fact that they love you and they love your content.
Thank you.
That's amazing. Radhika, how did you, obviously with all the amazing positive reaction and feedback that came after Ahalya, the internet is also, and I'm actually going to ask each one of you this question. The internet is also pretty nasty, to women especially. Unfortunate, but trollers, haters. It is. I mean, they can really get on your nerves at times. What would your tip be? We have so many young, amazing bloggers here, men, women, all of them. What would be your sort of advice to rise above all of that, to focus on your craft, on what you want to do and say? How would you? I mean, what's your Ramban?
I'll tell you very honestly. I feel that when you sign in and make an account, open an account on Twitter or your this app or
Any
whichever
social media
app, you're basically letting people in. You can't forget that.
Correct.
You're letting people read your stuff, and there is a button that they can press and reply to that, and you're allowing that to happen.
Correct.
Now, people are going to say things. You can't just say, how could he say that to me? Because people are stupid, sorry.
No, all kinds of
And all kinds of people, and people who troll you are like quite cowards.
They're actually attention seekers.
Cowards. They
Yeah.
can't come and say anything sensible. So they basically, they want something, just
Right.
say something and make hawa. Now, I was just talking to somebody the other day, and I felt that, you go out and you get eve teased. And the same thing, it's just in more numbers and anonymous. It's the same thing, actually. So if you want to be that person, that's your choice. I mean, I have absolutely nothing to say to them. But as a person who has an account on these things, it's a part of the game, and you can't be shocked and go, oh my God, that they said it to you. It's going to happen, but we need to stop that from happening because people are taking absolute liberty to say things which are so irresponsible. And so many women are being trolled on Twitter, and such horrible, nasty things about them being said for something, some opinion or something said on Twitter. We really, really need to think when we write or type anything.
Actually, before I come to Ruchi and Gaurav for the same question, I'd just like to add in over here because it was obviously one of the biggest concerns when we were developing a platform, which is a social media application, where you're live. What people love most about it can also be a double-edged sword, right? So we work very consciously on responses literally within seconds. There's a 24/7, 24-hour SMP team, which is Standards and Practices team, which is constantly watching each and every live beam, constantly reading each and every live comment. Right now it's happening in English, but as we expand and we go to newer markets, which is South in Tamil, and which is Bahasa in Indonesia, we are arming ourselves with not just manpower, but also very intelligent machine learning that can filter objectionable visuals and objectionable words. So I just want to bring that point out because you have to create a platform which is not obtrusive to.
That's incredible, actually. That's really incredible. And sorry, but I just feel that again, with technology, we always have a choice.
Correct.
Everybody has a choice. You use it for a good reason or you use it for a bad reason.
Correct.
So we all have to make a choice. And newer technologies are going to come like every day. So you better make the right one.
And you've got to keep evolving with it. Ruchi, to you.
So, yeah, I would again agree with this that, you are letting people in. It was your wish. So you have to deal with the pros and cons of it. When you have fans, you will have haters. It's just that how responsibly do you react to it and how responsible is the other person who's using social media as well. We have a lot of experience and I think to a certain extent they're also funny. So it adds to the human quotient to it, that, alright. So, it would be fun if I have everybody who just keeps telling me all the time, oh my God, you are so pretty, Radhika, you are awesome. It's nice to have somebody who comes in and says, I don't like it. Then I'll be like, why did you not like it?
Sure.
It helps me. So yes, we have people who go, cross limits, and then obviously you have to take certain steps to eliminate that from every possible social media or generally also. And other than that, obviously criticism is welcome.
Yeah, positive criticism is great. Gaurav, what do you think? Do you get told? Does Chutki get told?
Not really. When I started making the videos, I play a girl in the videos, Chutki. I also play a man shopkeeper. And initially when I started making videos, I expected like an 8 ratio of 50-50. I thought, okay, it's a man dressed as a woman. It might not be accepted. But thankfully, it's been 97% and 3%.
Wow.
And which is amazing because I think people come there and I think people people are much smarter now compared to the internet is still new. It's still evolving, you know. It's still new for people. So at times people feel कि शायद गाली देना ही the best way to be cool. But now when they're getting used more and more to the internet, they understand that there's so much learning that they can do. There's so much more they can do that they are channelizing their energies in a better way. So मेरा तो cool है, I said so.
But that, you said something really valid. Because recently I got trolled and I was told that much social media. Most of the people who messaged me were positive responses, and I was so.
People stand up for you.
It was amazing.
Stands up for you.
It was really amazing. It was very, very.
I think people understand the medium much more now compared to like 5 years ago. They know what to do. They know that they can specialize in music. They can learn about music. They can learn about cooking. There's so much more you can do on the internet. It's not just.
Yes, we know it.
Yeah, so-
but we will not say it.
Yeah.
I feel. Yes, absolutely. We had a question from a gentleman sitting here. Can we just have a hand mic? Pass it across to him. Yes, sir. Please introduce yourself and your question.
Yeah, the name is Anil Kohli.
Okay.
My Twitter handle is Anil Kohli 54.
Okay.
I've been hearing this word troll, and I do believe that there are trolls. But could you define who's a troll and what is a troll?
Wow, okay, we're getting into definitions. Troll is someone who basically wants to create nuisance. As long as it's positive criticism, I don't think it's troll.
Can
Troll
I
is someone.
explain to you?
Sorry?
May I explain it to you?
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
A troll is not somebody who disagrees with you.
Okay.
A troll is somebody who tries to divert your attention from your main focus
Yeah.
by using different language, by using different memes.
Correct.
That is exactly what troll is.
Sure.
Troll is not somebody who disagrees with you.
Sure.
पूरा मार दे चौपट
Okay, thanks for clarifying that. Thank you. I want to go over to you. What are your top 3 tips to stay on top of it?
See, I think Twitter wasn't for me because I am not so opinionated about things.
Okay.
The people I find on Twitter, I find they have opinions about a lot of things. I go to Twitter to learn what people write about facts. I quietly read and I go back because my main forte is creating content. I think of stories. I know how to edit on the phone. I do everything on the phone. So I made my whatever I knew my power. So make whatever you know. Like she's an artist. So make that your power. Your prompt with your reply. Make that your power. So that's what I tell people. Like don't try to be somebody. जो आता है वो करो और वो कमाल करो.
And be authentic.
Be authentic. Don't try to ape somebody. Oh, आजकल rap चल रहा है, चलो मैं rap करता हूँ. But maybe you suck at rapping. Maybe you're good at something else. So figure out who you are and just explore and do more.
Awesome. Radhika?
I think I agree with you that you keep maintain your uniqueness. If you have something, that just be that. Don't try and be one of the people amongst like whatever, like everybody else. Then I think other would be don't overdo it. Because then there's no fun, I think. And I think don't go looking for content. You don't have to like do something. You have to do something if you don't think of something. Like it will come to you.
Right.
I think content will come to you and that will be what
Then it'll be organic.
organic, I think.
Yeah, I also want to add, like somebody asked me, they said, why don't you make videos about, current topics and politics and, like Varun Grover, I don't know if you guys know, he's a digital superstar.
Sure,
He
of
makes
course.
videos about what happened on the street
Subjects,
and
yes.
how to be better as a human being. I really thought there's so many more people who know this subject much more, much better. They can do things much better than I specialize in silly. So I will be silly and specialize in it. So that's what I chose.
It's a brilliant specialization. Ruchi?
Yeah, I would surely say that it's saturated. Now, digital content, I think, is saturated. Everybody has tried so much already that you really need to come up with something that is spectacular, that is innovative, like a shopkeeper. So none of us had actually thought that somebody can do this, be the same person and getting into, costumes and characters and stuff like that. So it clicked. I don't think it is rocket science. It's just innovation. It's creativity. That's one. The second thing is, with digital media, not just #Fame, I love this application, but then everything that we have on social media today, it makes a star one of you. So a Shah Rukh Khan also talks to you like he has problems, he has those Gharilu problems, and then he has kids, and then he posts pictures with kids and everything. I think to be to be on top of your game, you have to make the viewer believe that you are one of them and you're not a celebrity sitting in front of the camera. That is there. And the last thing on hashtag famous interactivity. That is the biggest plus point of this application, which is not being used on any other medium to that level. So we are interactive, we do talk to people on Twitter, on Instagram, on
But
Snapchat.
this is real time.
This is real time, it's then and there. It's like, hey, what's up? Acha batao kya chal raha hai ghar par? Oh my god, it's your birthday, happy birthday, let's have a party right here. So it's like, it's that live. So that's our 15,000 fans.
That's awesome. That's amazing. Like I said, this is an interactive session, so please feel free to ask any questions. In fact, I insist that you ask some questions. Because we have a room full of bloggers, right? Young content creators. Yes, sir, please. We can have the mic come. Please introduce yourself. And,
Yeah, I'm Rajendra Singh. I'm writing for magazine as well as about bloggers.
Okay.
So what is the room? How much room is there for newcomers, raw people, and whether there is condition whether he should be artist or performer or raw people? How can they establish?
That's a great
they
question.
can be benefited by this.
I'm guessing it's addressed to me. Okay, I'll take this. So there's absolutely no prerequisite for anyone to get onto the Fame app. Absolutely none. I mean, जो regular age restrictions होते हैं of any social media application, those apply, but no prerequisite whatsoever. That's the beauty of the application. It's completely democratic. Rajendra sir, when we started Fame a year back, the idea was कि हम एक ऐसा platform बनाएं which democratizes talent. Okay? तो आमतौर पे टैलेंट को अपना टैलेंट दिखाने के लिए या तो एक्सपेंसिव DSLR कैमरे खरीदने पड़ते हैं या फिर आपको ये इसकी जानकारी चाहिए होती है कि वीडियो कैसे शूट करें, कैसे एडिट करें, आपको लैपटॉप चाहिए, आपको एडिटिंग आनी चाहिए, वो बहुत ज्यादा तामझाम होता है, बहुत ज्यादा पैसे खर्च होते हैं. So that was the basic reason behind making an app. जो आपके सेलफोन में हो सकता है, आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इक्विपमेंट नहीं चाहिए. All you need is basic internet, 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi जो आमतौर पे ज्यादातर लोगों के साथ होता है, एटलीस्ट बड़े शहरों में. And as long as आप जानते हैं आपको क्या बोलना है, you can go live on the app. As long as you make engaging content, you can go live.
Will it be economical in the market?
Sorry, will it be?
Economical in the market.
I don't understand what that means.
Available कैसे हो? सस्ता होगा, महंगा होगा?
क्या चीज available?
के ऊपर जाने के लिए.
So the app is absolutely free. The app is free. You can download it. It's a free app. The only kharcha that you have to do is your own internet ka kharcha. But that's the only thing about. And just like any other social media application. So we have a question.
Yeah.
Take that.
Aniket, actually thanks that Philip of us has raised the question.
Okay.
But I myself had 4 people who I felt were talent.
Okay.
And I had myself emailed to 4 of your production
Okay.
team members.
Okay.
Not a single person has reported.
Awesome. You've got all of us over here.
I'm
right
telling
now.
you because
Let's
I
take
wanted
their
to
names
raise
and
this
numbers
because
and-
one email was also marked to you.
Okay.
There was no response at all.
I-
So if you say
I'm
that
sorry for that.
it's,
I'm sorry for that. No, but
it's
the
an
point is,
open
sir,
platform.
you're mixing two things here.
No, no, no.
You
it-
wanted to get in touch with the team. That's a different
No, no,
matter.
I was talking about talent promotion.
Correct.
Wherein there were people who were talented. I
Correct.
sent profiles and
Correct.
what they could do
May
and
I
how.
just intervene here? Like I said, this is a social media application. Okay, so we've got 21,000 plus people who've gone live on the application so far. While you might want to showcase your talent and want the Fame team or the Fame management to look after it, the way we discover our stars is anyone and everyone can go live, right? जैसे उसमें
No,
automatically
but this
just
intervention
indulge me for a
happened
minute.
at a
Indulge
time
me
when
for
you
a
just
minute. Indulge me for a minute. As soon as we see any Fame star organically getting traction, that's when we intervene and we get in touch with them and we aid the process of them becoming bigger stars, right? We can have this conversation offline if you don't mind. We'll talk about it. Happy to take a look at those profiles.
Yeah.
Yes,
So the camera doesn't, I mean, the mobile doesn't have that zooming capacity, you know.
correct,
And being a it's on a very small screen.
correct.
So really, if you go and stand up there and you see Walla sitting on the stage, you
Right.
can't make it out.
Okay.
You know, those things. how
Great
you-
question.
yeah.
Great question. Great question. This I'll answer in 2-3 parts again. I understand there are a lot of product questions, so we can take a lot of that offline also because I'd love it if the panel is asking questions. But I'll quickly answer it. Number 1, the camera can come as close as possible. Cell phones are unobtrusive. Number 2, in the coming product, the coming features that are coming in October, zooming in will be an option. Number 3, I personally have zoom lenses or any kind of detachable lenses onto the cell phone that you can put onto this. मैं fisheye lens लगा सकता हूँ, मैं wide angle लगा सकता हूँ, मैं telephoto लगा सकता हूँ. उससे मैं मैग्निफिकेशन नहीं कर सका. And look at the मजेदार part, at least we are having the conversation कि लोग देख रहे हैं, इवेंट हो रहा है. आज इसकी बदौलत एटलीस्ट उपलब्धि है कि लोग इवेंट तो देख पा रहे हैं. उन्हें पता था कि राधिका आपने गौरव गिरा और रुचि यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. So, like I said, we're only a 3-month-old platform, Suhail. So, a lot of new features will keep on coming, and I'm happy to have product conversations separately, you know, so we can justify dead. Yeah. I would love it if you guys have questions on brand building. Yeah, we have some of the best-known brands in their own right, in their own domains over here, and I think there's a lot to learn from these people for your personal brand building.
Yeah, sure. I run digital media agency. One of the big question I have is, let's say, there are people who have a certain bigger following on social media, then they leverage it into exciting content.
Correct.
Content being the goal. There are also a lot of people who have exciting content but have no fan following to leverage it off.
Okay.
So what would be a good starting point for someone to start with the content and start pushing it organically, but outside their own circle, increasing following?
I would like Gaurav answer that. Gaurav?
See, actually, you'll have to do a lot of reading. You'll have to find out which platform suits you better, like I said. What type of content are you making? Are you better at blogging? Are you better at a particular website? What suits the kind of thing that you are doing? You know? So that, like Pinterest, I have never used it, but I think it is about specialized thing. If you're
Everything that is
food,
after. That's what Pinterest is about.
yeah. So you have the short list where you should have some following. Like I'll tell you that I started making videos actually 5 years ago.
Wow.
I came in before AIP. I came
one of
before,
the earliest
adopters. So I think only Shabi Kapoorji was doing YouTubing. And I was the second one, and I did crack a deal with UTV Stars and other digital lines. But I got busy in 2011 till 2014. I completely stopped making videos. So I had already a few following, but very, very little, you know.
Because you weren't consistent.
I wasn't consistent because you gotta be there. You gotta make content non-stop. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता आपने साल में एक बनाया, जैसे गंगम स्टाइल एक बना दिया और उसके बाद 4 साल कुछ नहीं डालो. It can't be like that. You gotta be engaging people. And so like Instagram I started now. I started from 6,000, you know, when I started, because I'm an actor, so I already had 6,000 following. But today, within a few months, it is 1,44,000. So it has really grown on itself, because internet पे क्या होता है ना, लोग अपने friends को tag करते हैं. Hey, what's this one is funny. So friend tags 10 more people. So internet spreads like that. But content gotta be good and gotta be regular.
Consistency is the key. Radhika, I want to ask you, you know, you sort of, यहाँ पे एक उल्टी गंगा अभी बहने लगी है थोड़ी, because इंटरनेट पे लोग डिस्कवर हो रहे हैं और मेन स्ट्रीम एक्सेप्टेंस और मेन स्ट्रीम सेलेब्रिटी उन्हें मिल रहा है. Would you in days to come have a separate sort of internet personality or sort of content stream that you would like to create alongside your films, your television, your 511 language films that you do, all of that?
I think yes, I would. I'm a theatre actor to begin with, and I love doing gigs on the spot, and you know, come up like see how people react to that. So this would be a great platform, and I think this is going to be a very big platform in the future. I mean, very soon. I'm talking about like very near future, because this is going to take over. People are so impatient that this is the thing. You know, it's going to be the thing, and so we better come up with something.
Awesome. Any more questions for our panel here? Yes, way back there. मैं कह रहा हूँ यार, ये मुंबई वाले बड़े शर्माते हैं. Delhi was awesome. Everyone had a question. We had to ask everyone to be like, 100%. Okay, yeah.
I'm Stephen Freelance, journalist. I wanted to know with the tolerance levels dipping. Do we force a moral vigilante coming and saying, this is not morally correct, this is not culturally correct? Because I see such great talent here, and I see these guys probably sometimes nipping talent in the bud. I just want anyone's view on whether this could be some real party spoiler.
Wow. Do you want to take that, Gaurav? Because जैसे आपने कहा, आप बहुत ज़्यादा trending topics, for example, study करते हैं, और उसके ऊपर कटाक्ष या उसके ऊपर अपनी टिप्पणी जो होती है वो पेश करते हैं.
मैं एक्चुअली वो नहीं करता हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि मुझसे कहीं ज़्यादा कटाक्ष लोग हैं.
Sure.
What is कटाक्ष by the way?
Your take on it.
Okay. So I am not one of those. मुझे सब चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं. मुझे हर तरह का point of view अच्छा लगता है. So मैं उस बारे में जोन में नहीं जाता हूँ normally. जैसे अहिल्या का भी था. I didn't make fun of it, but I presented it differently. Yeah, I presented differently without demeaning the film, because I quite enjoyed the movie.
Sorry, it's
It's not even spoiled.
It's just
It is random. It is so random that you say, इसकी जरूरत क्या थी?
It's so funny. It's good. You have to do that.
Yeah, it is like ये क्यों है? But you know, broadcasting about
Say, go ahead.
Broadcasting मेरा इतना faith है since past 5 years, 10 years old. I believe everything is content. You know, मुझे लगता है कि there would be somebody listening, all 3 of you, you know, or 4 of you. आपकी क्या बात हो रही है? आप कितने what is, because I find everything so interesting. Like I was going for New Year's to a place and I wanted to look up a place and I just randomly googled and I found that place, Estrella do Mar, and I could see the video of the whole hut with chalta ja raha hai, shot the whole thing, and I was so glad and felt lucky that okay I know where I'm going. So future later में आगे जाके लोग live चीजें देखना चाहेंगे कि एस्ट्रेला में 2 मार में अभी क्या हो रहा है, what if I check in, what if the building look better earlier, now it's not like that. So everything I believe is going to go live and look upon for information also, maybe for learning, maybe for entertainment. So a lot of things will follow with live.
Actually, that's the beauty of this medium. You know, with this, I just remember that June 17th to 24th, it was really bad in Mumbai. It was raining really badly, and we just thought that it will again create a flood-like situation.
Right.
And it was Ankit who started beaming while he was driving. And I saw that because I was unwell, I was sitting at my place, and I realized it is so bad down there in Mahim, which I would have not known looking at the television, because you know, this was real time. I knew it's happening right now. So not just for entertainment, I think for reporting purposes as well, this is like the big thing, the next big thing.
Yeah, I mean, we're all these people with cameras over there, we're really happy for them and we're concerned for them. Because that's what real-time live platforms do. I'll talk about that to you offline if you don't mind. Okay, any more questions? Yes, sir.
This is to Gaurav and for Radhika. Being actors and resorting to such a medium, how important is the monetization from your aspect, or would you do, like you've done your short film, it could be because of working with the director, but how important is the money factor, and how do you take your decisions whether to opt for a particular project?
Very good question. Very good question. He's saying, is that a big motivator? Is that a deal breaker or something like that? The monetization aspect of it.
Like
because
Gaurav has been doing a lot of your videos.
Yeah.
But when you move to fame, Ash Fame, or any other thing, is the money aspect actually an attraction, or are you doing it just out of pay?
Okay, so you can answer. I will quickly give a rider on top of this. This is any other, it's treated as any other social media application, right? Today, and I know this because I've studied this guy, because I love his work. Today, Gaurav Gera ka Chutki and Shopkeeper is such an amazing brand on Instagram. Instagram se 0 paise bante. But because wahan itna tagda brand bana hai ki television channels have commissioned shows.
Yeah, I've licensed my characters to Big Magic for next 5 years.
Yeah.
I built another show which is a longer format with Big Magic, so, which has happened 2 साल हो गए. Samavesh on TV, radio, and internet to मेरा है.
Absolutely.
So yeah, everything follows.
So I think what's important is mediums like this or anything on the internet, and which is exactly what this evening is dedicated to, building your personal brand. Because the minute you build your personal brand on internet, then you can leverage it and monetize it on multiple media. Now, the medium itself, like I said, the coming up build is going to offer monetization opportunity. The medium itself will offer monetization, but that shouldn't really be the only motivation for people to get onto the app, because brand banana is more important. Right?
See, so basically I've cut down the whole process. मैं वो सब नहीं करता जो पिक्चर करती है या टीवी करता है. वो अच्छे से शॉट लगाते हैं, मैं शॉट नहीं लगाता. I keep on my frontal mobile cam पे करता हूँ, मैं editing phone पे करता हूँ. तो मैंने पूरा process ही काट दिया. आप लगाते रहो set, आप लगाओ कैमरा, मैं नहीं लगाऊंगा. So this is Shopkeeper. ये भी कम ले रहा है, ये क्या चाहिए? So this is Shopkeeper. जो दुकान में बैठ, अरे कोक ले लो.
कोक देना.
अरे काट दियो.
That's one of my favorite.
Yeah, this video has become really viral, and Dub Smash really helped it because a lot of people have made this Dub Smash.
Their version of it.
Their version of it. It's my voice. Shopkeeper. ये कोक देना. ये काट दियो. कोक का कोक छोटा या बड़ा नहीं चाहिए. बस सुनने आएगी. This is one of the videos which has really done well. Or I don't know if you guys have heard this, but Mallam hai, Suji hai, that is also pretty famous.
Go for it. Go.
Shopkeeper. आइए जी. Mallam hai, आइए. Suji hai, आइए. लगा लेना. These are small videos.
again I'll say I studied a lot कि मैं कितना length का content बनाऊँ because earlier मैं 7 मिनट में 2010 में जो बोल रहा हूँ then I realized okay I am targeting teenagers I'm targeting people who are going to college they don't have so much of data जो free में हो plus buffering and उसके बाद ad आएगा उसके बाद धीरे-धीरे चलेगा video और I'll cut it out I'll make a video which is 15 seconds like reading a joke on your phone quickly in between your classes you read it and then you go back smiling so that is what I mean. Oh, I am not carrying a lipstick.
I have it.
You have lipstick?
Yeah, you know?
I think I've never done. So चुटकी basically ऐसी है lipstick puts all over. उसकी lipstick पूरी बाहर होती है.
Wow man, ये सब real time ही हो रहा है क्या? You sure you want to like?
It's a very good time.
Use it. Go for it.
This is how I do.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah, I think she's going to burn this.
Yeah.
So चुटकी is like that basically. Shakip.
Anyway,
What's the
Shakip. Anyway, pink dress कितने की है?
9,000.
5,000.
I will do that. Yeah.
You
Go
go
ahead.
for
I
it.
remember. Yeah.
So you're a shopkeeper.
Yeah.
You want to wait?
I'll be the chutki.
You want the
You'll be
wig?
chutki.
Yeah. No, you can be shopkeeper. Yeah. Go ahead.
So the video is
Shakip.
हाँ जी बहन जी.
Pink dress कितने की है?
5,000.
Oh, grey dress?
10,000.
Oh, red dress?
All plus all.
Wow.
There are many more videos like that. There are like 500 videos already there. So I just think that मैं at times when आपको 2:30 बजे video बना देता हूँ. At times one video of mine which Akshay Kumar made with Siddharth Malhotra. I was partying in Delhi and I couldn't believe. Oh my God, Akshay Kumar ने मेरा video बना दिया.
हम बोल सकते हैं यार.
वो था.
अरे बेबी, शॉप में वॉशरूम है? अच्छा, अरे मशरूम है? नहीं, रेस्टरूम.
कौन?
पाउडर रूम.
कौन?
ओहो, टैक्सी जाना है.
I basically see again the content wise I'll say what I make is something which is not on TV, which is not on it's a
You
holy
just
thing.
checked with मैं टट्टी बोल सकता हूँ क्या? I mean, इस कदर टेलीविजन ने हमको इतना वो बना दिया, बना दिया.
So it's
Conscious.
which is innocent, yeah. You say it in English, सबको कबूल है. इसमें क्या ऐसा हो जाता है? गलत बात है.
Radhika, are you going to like collab with this man mentally sing why?
Match your.
Oh come on, you're a theatre person.
You just need the lipstick. That's all.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, we actually have, I don't know if we can plug into the visuals here, but Shruti Prakash, one of the top fame stars, she's an amazing singer. She's live right now. She does music on demand every night between 9 to 10. That's Shruti Prakash with Nalin. Okay, so this is very simple. That's the chat. So Honey3 has requested for Iktara. Now Shruti Prakash can choose to sing it or not. So Darshika, you're looking so adorable. Isne naam hi badal diya. Darshika, same hairstyle. LOL, LOL. Okay, so this is what it is. Do we have any more questions for our panelists over here?
How genuine is this thing actually? As you said, like, have 24/7 people are also there watching and monetizing the likes and
How genuine is this?
I mean, the number of likes what is there.
It's real time.
I know real time is people also.
She just, okay, so Ruchi liked this thing. That is Ruchi sitting right here clicking on like. So it's, I mean.
Yeah, I've got one question here.
देखते हैं. We do find those 2 minutes or 5 minutes to watch that video. It's almost the same. It's almost the same. You just have to find those 20 minutes. हर एक इंसान के अंदर कीड़ा है कि मेरे अंदर जो star है उसको मैं दिखा दूँ. This is a great platform to just do that. I don't think you need to really take out time because if you're forcing yourself to do it, I am sure you're not going to rock it.
Oh, you think it will take 20 minutes? I've seen people who are watching.
Shruti Prakash is live. She's singing her song here.
Jared.
Let's have a big round of applause for Shruti Prakash. Yeah. Okay. That's the fame app notification actually.
and you create good content. My question is, how do you make a new trend using hashtags?
Wow. See, actually, frankly, initially I didn't need a lot of people to get eyeballs, but right now I think shopkeeper is already a hashtag. So I do bare minimum of that. I hashtag Gaurav, I hashtag shopkeeper, I hashtag Chutki also. So, iske alawa, I don't really look at like my current topics पे नहीं बनाता हूँ most of the times. So my things are like classics. कभी भी बोलो 20 साल बाद देखो तो भी you will be like it's so silly, you know. But at times when you're writing, if you specialize in current events, अगर आप कोई reporting of sports in blog में कर रहे हो, you definitely have to hashtag the event. किस date को हो रहा है, कहाँ पे हो रहा है, what are you talking about? So actually I want to say a lot of people don't understand. You'll have to do some research. थोड़ा आपको Google करना पड़ेगा कि hashtag और tag में फर्क क्या है. Tag सबको नहीं दिखता है, hashtag सबको दिखता है. तो आपको छोटे-छोटे rules तो find out करना पड़ेगा. If you are bloggers, if you want to grow in internet, आपको hashtag की महत्व हाँ आपको जाननी पड़ेगी. So like also ये कह रहा हूँ कि सब कुछ इंटरनेट पे होता है. मेरा जो एडिटिंग है, मुझे कुछ एडिटिंग नहीं आती थी. मैं तो एक्टर हूँ, मेरा क्या है, शूट करा घर आगे, you know like that. But फिर उसके बाद I googled how to edit. वो भी YouTube पे ट्यूटोरियल्स है. उसके बाद मैंने ये भी सीखा लैपटॉप पे कि क्रोमा कैसे करते हैं. आप खड़े हो पीछे ग्रीन स्क्रीन लगा के, कहाँ पे आप पीछे वादियाँ दिखा दो. So there's so much more and everything is available on the internet. I have done everything self-learning. मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था जिसमें आधे में बहन खड़ी है, आधे में भाई खड़ा है. One frame. So ये सब जो editors करते हैं, I could do it because laptop हर किसी के पास है. Now everything I do on my mobile phone, every app is free. तो ये तो कोई भी कर सकता है. आप ढूंढो तो सही, करना क्या है, वो सब मिलेगा. So broadcasting के भी अलग फायदे.
Super, super.
So actually, two of my films are released recently, Fountain Man and Conflict Pani Mein. They were promoted by Fame.
So we were live streaming partners for the
Yeah.
films. That's also what we do. So we travel with them.
They traveled with us throughout the promotional tour, and from morning to night they used to come to our rooms and like in the cars and everywhere, and they live streamed everything. So that's how I actually got to know about the application, and that's why I'm here.
How was the experience? Because the thing is, we have to be on a very continuous and a very constant, like, you know, on the screen, that's live, and things like there are also questions coming up. At a certain point of time, you know, even if a little bit of here and there, like, you know,
But as I said before, I like that. I like that spontaneity. I like that you sort of just say something which you shouldn't have said and then you just say, oh, that. I like that. I like the spontaneity. I like to be, rather than, you know, पढ़ा है ये बोला आज ये बोला है आज ये बोला नहीं है. So I like that.
Awesome. Okay, and big stars. Big round of applause for Shruti Prakash. And a great story actually. You know, in a singing competition show called Close Up Web Singer, which is a famed property, जहाँ पे she's getting mentored by Pritam Da, the biggest music composer in the country, and it all has happened organically because of her voice. Please take us through that journey.
Okay, good evening everyone and all my respective judges. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so used to that. I'm so sorry. Okay, so it's a simple story. I mean, I'm a South Indian. I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka, and I completed my graduation last year, 14, sorry. And yes, I happened to come to Bombay last year in July, and like every other girl, I had to take up a job. Of course, I came to Mumbai with a motive of pursuing my career in music. But वो बोलते हैं ना, parents को ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, हाँ मैं पहले चली जाऊँगी Bombay, then I'll figure out what to do. You can't possibly tell your parents that. So I had to take up a job. I was into this company called Edu Media, which was into content writing and business development. And I worked there for almost a year. And then I realized that I'm not able to give time to music. So I resigned. And before I left for my sister's marriage, Fame happened to me. And the way Fame happened to me, I'll tell you what happened. I did not go to these people called me. So I used to go to a lot of karaoke nights which happen in Bombay. All of you would be aware of that. And I used to make many friends over there. And one of them gave one of the, female who was working in Fame, they gave her my number. And that's how I'm connected to Fame today. And it has been a lovely journey, I must say. So I totally believe when people say, if it's meant to be, it will happen. Things will definitely find their way. Because trust me, when I left my job, that bubble in my head used to be like, I have to go back to Bangalore now.
Dude, I have not done what I wanted to, and right now even my parents are bang on proud of me for what I'm doing right now.
Awesome. That's so amazing. So amazing. How many fans are we at on your Fame profile?
I think 14.5,
Wow.
14,000.
Wow. That's amazing. And like I said, she's on the website. Thank you so much. We loved your song. That lady over there in the black top with the specs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It was,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ruchi. Thank you. And also a big round of applause for our incredible panelists for taking out so much time for being here with us today, sharing their secrets of brand building online. And we look forward to some amazing content online on Fame.
Shruti has many more fans than I have on Fame. #Fame.
Exactly.
You don't need to be an actor जो कि 15 साल से acting कर रहा है. She's talented. She's attracting people, and so people are coming for her. So and everybody is worth it, you know.
Yeah. It's a level playing field.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
like 5-6 years ago, I used to really say to a lot of people, future में जाके film star, TV star रहेंगे, but हर मोहल्ले में star होगा, because there will be people who would say, अरे यार ये कितना अच्छा गाता है, अरे इसकी painting देख कमाल करता है. This is how he engages people. You wouldn't need all these things. So this is where I think future is headed.
That's exactly what we do. You couldn't have summed it up better. Sir, if you don't mind, we'll take the question offline. Sorry, we're running out of time. But can we please have a big round of applause? Yes. If you can please stand up for pictures, we can get that done. आगे आना है? This is okay? Also, please have dinner and enjoy the rest of the evening. The Fame team and the Fame stars are all around in case you have any questions about the app or anything else that was discussed this evening. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience.
एक्चुअली फेम का जो ऐप है ये लाइव ऐप है, इसको बोलते हैं #फेम. इसको कोई भी डाउनलोड कर सकता है, फ्री में डाउनलोड कर सकता है. एंड बेसिकली ब्रॉडकास्टिंग के बारे में, अगर आप में कोई भी टैलेंट है, अगर आप सिंगर हैं, गाते हैं, पेंट करते हैं, कुछ भी, आप अपना टैलेंट डिस्प्ले कर सकते हो. जैसे एक तरह से समझ लो एक नया चैनल है. जैसे आपको सडनली बोले कोई सोनी टीवी पे आना है, कलर्स पे आना है, तो आपको बहुत जरिया होता है, आपको एक्टर बनना होता है या प्रोड्यूसर बनना होता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि आपने ऐप डाउनलोड किया फ्री में और आप जब चाहें उस पर लाइव आ सकते हैं. और उसके बाद आपकी टैलेंट पे है कि आप लोग आपको कितना देखना चाहते हैं. चाहे वो आप ब्यूटी टिप्स देते हो, कुछ लोग का मेकअप बहुत कमाल का होता है, तो हो सकता है लड़कियाँ ब्यूटी टिप्स दें. या फिर कोई ऐसे होते हैं जिनको शेक्सपियर के बारे में बहुत कुछ मालूम है, तो हो सकता है वो अपनी नॉलेज शेयर करना चाहें. तो एक तरह से एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया है हर किसी को. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट #फेम इज़ ऑल अबाउट.
आपके आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स और कौन कौन से हैं?
मेरा फ़िलहाल मैं डिजिटल में काफ़ी स्ट्रांग हूँ. मैं इंटरनेट पे काफ़ी चीज़ें करता रहता हूँ. और मैं टीवी पे मेरा एक बिग मैजिक जो चैनल है उसके साथ मैं चुटकी और शॉपकीपर करता हूँ, जिसमें मैं चुटकी भी बनता हूँ जो लड़की है, और शॉपकीपर जो दुकानदार है वो भी बनता हूँ. तो वो मेरा जो काम है वो टीवी और रेडियो दोनों पे आता है. और अब एक नया शो बनाया है चुटकी शॉपकीपर और वो, जिसमें जो दुकानदार मैं हूँ वो लोगों से इंटरव्यू लेता है. तो मैं उसमें एक हरियाणा का वो बना हूँ दुकानदार, जिसकी दुकान पे अलग अलग स्टार्स आते हैं. जैसे कभी मनीष पॉल आए, कभी सिमरन कौर मुंडी आए, कभी रेमो डिसूजा आए. तो उनसे बातचीत का वो शो है जो कि नया शो है जो टीवी पे आने वाला बिग मैजिक पे.
आपके नए वीडियोस वगैरह कैसे, मतलब किस तरह?
जो मैं वीडियोस बनाता हूँ ये मैंने खुद शुरू किए थे और सब कुछ मैं फ़ोन पे करता हूँ. मैं शूट भी फ़ोन पे करता हूँ, मैं एडिटिंग भी फ़ोन पे करता हूँ और इसको अपलोड भी इंटरनेट पे ही करता हूँ. तो मेरे वीडियोस बहुत वायरल हो गए थे. मैं इनफैक्ट इंटरव्यूज़ हैं मैं दुबई में दे चुका हूँ, पाकिस्तान में दे चुका हूँ. मेरे वीडियोस ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंडियंस तो हर जगह होते ही हैं जिनको हिंदी समझ आती है. तो मेरे वीडियोस जो हैं वो बहुत इंटरनेट की वजह से आगे निकले हैं, जो लोगों ने बहुत प्यार दिया है. और वो मैं डालता हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे गौरव गेरा. अगर आप सर्च करेंगे तो उसको आप चुटकी और शॉपकीपर के वीडियोस मिलेंगे. तो वो सब तो मैं बनाता ही था. अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि लोगों से मैं डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट करूँ, लोगों से सुनूँ, लोगों से बातें सुनूँ, क्योंकि मैं अब 15 साल से टीवी एक्टर रह चुका हूँ, मैंने फिल्में भी की हुई हैं. अब लोगों को क्या कहना है वो मैं फेम हैशटैग पे जाके सुनता हूँ, #फेम पे. तो लोगों के जवाब भी देता हूँ. तो एक तरह से इट्स मोर इंटरैक्टिव.
गौरव गेरा एक नाम है, सब जानते हैं, 15 साल से आप स्ट्रगल मतलब एज ए एक्टर एज ए करे. अब क्या आप मतलब वो करना चाहते हैं कि आपके मन में है जो आप कुछ नया, मतलब क्या कुछ उसके बारे में?
जो मैं करता हूँ वो ऑलरेडी सबके लिए नया है, क्योंकि अभी तक क्या हुआ, मैं इंटरनेट को फुल टाइम करता हूँ. मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा अभी मैं इंटरनेट पे डील्स भी क्रैक करता हूँ. जैसे आज मैंने वीडियोस बनाए Amazon.in का, तो आपको ऑलरेडी फीलिंग तो आ गई होगी कि चीज़ें इंटरनेट की तरफ घूम रही हैं। पहले जो हर कुछ इंटरनेट पे इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं होता था पहले, अब आप देखते होंगे इंटरनेट का हर ऐड देख लो आप टीवी पे जाती है, ये .com वो .com housing.com ये .com, मतलब आपको पता है कि दुनिया किस तरफ जा रही है। आप जा रहे हैं इंटरनेट की तरफ पे, जो कि 5 साल पहले ऐसा नहीं था, इतना ऐड की नहीं आती थी, फ्लिपकार्ट की नहीं आती थी। तो आपको पता है कि शॉपिंग भी अब वहीं होती है, घर भी आप वहीं ढूंढते हो, गाड़ी भी आप वहीं ढूंढते हो, हर चीज़ के एप्लीकेशंस हो चुके हैं। क्योंकि जो एप्लीकेशन की ब्यूटी होती है कि पावर आपके हाथ में है। कोई भी आदमी मोबाइल के बिना कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील करता, और आप मोबाइल से इतना कुछ कर सकते हैं, वो आप सीखते जा रहे हैं। आप टिकटिंग भी यहीं से करते हो, टिकट बुक यहाँ करते हो, घर यहाँ से, छुट्टी यहाँ से बुक करते हो। तो इसी तरह से मैंने अपना रुख भी बदला है। मैं टीवी और फिल्में काफ़ी कर चुका हूँ, लेकिन मुझे इंटरनेट को मैंने ज़्यादा सीरियसली लेना शुरू कर दिया है। और मैं, मेरे ख्याल से आई एम वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट नोन एस्टैब्लिश्ड एक्टर्स में से जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी इंटरनेट पे थोड़ी सी स्टैंडिंग बना ली है। तो इट्स अ गुड फीलिंग।
पर्सनल लाइफ और पब्लिक लाइफ में कितना एंजॉय करते हैं, मतलब क्या डिफरेंट है, क्या
यही होता है कि आप टीवी पे देखते हैं कि आपने देखा गौरव गिरा एक बना हुआ था, मिसेस पम्मी प्यारेलाल, मेरा एक सीरियल आता था कलर्स पे, जिसमें मैं जो मेरा रोल था वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट था। लेकिन टीवी पे आपको दिखता है कि अच्छा इसको ऐसे शूट किया, वो एक कैरेक्टर है, वो मैं नहीं था, वो गौरव गिरा नहीं था। लेकिन लाइव ब्रॉडकास्टिंग का ये होता है कि आप जैसे ये लाइव समझ लो, ये लाइव नहीं है बट इसमें रियल गौरव गिरा है। अगर लाइव होता तो आप लिख रहे होते, मैं उसको पढ़ रहा होता, मैं उसको जवाब दे रहा होता। तो #फेम उस बारे में कि अभी आप देख रहे हैं, आपने नीचे कुछ लिखा, मैंने पढ़ा और मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ पर्सनली, मैं सब, तो दैट्स डिफरेंस। तो मैं इंटरनेट की तरफ रुख कर चुका हूँ।
तो आज अपने दर्शकों को चाहने वालों को आप क्या कहना चाहिए, क्या संदेश देना चाहिए?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हम लोगों को बहुत आदत है कंज्यूमर बनने की। टीवी चल रहा है, चले जा रहा है, हम देखे जा रहे हैं, देखते जा रहे हैं, मन में उतार रहे हैं। लेकिन इंटरनेट पे एक जरिया है जहाँ आप सीख बहुत कुछ सकते हैं। आपके पास खाली टाइम है, अरे कुछ पढ़ो, कुछ बनाओ। हो सकता है कि आपको ऐसी ऐसी कहावतें पता हो आपकी दादी की, जो दुनिया में किसी को नहीं पता। आप वो कहाँ शेयर करोगे? किसी को तो बोलो। डायरी लिखते हो तो डायरी कितने लोग पढ़ते हैं? कोई नहीं पढ़ता। आपके पास ब्रॉडकास्टिंग है, एक जरिया है, जाके बोलो कि तुम्हारी दादी ने बहुत अच्छी बातें की थी। दादी के नुस्खे क्यों गुम हो जाते हैं? जो अभी देखो पिछले 100 साल में आपकी जैसे दादी नानी जो खाना बनाती थी, उसका टेस्ट ही चेंज हो गया है। वो इसलिए चेंज हो गया, किसी ने डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं किया। तो ये जो ब्रॉडकास्टिंग और इंटरनेट है, इस पे लिखा जाता है, इस पे दर्ज हो जाता है कि इसका नुस्खा ये होता है। तो बेसिकली इसका फ़ायदा उठाना चाहिए इंटरनेट का। सिर्फ वीडियो गेम मत खेलो, सिर्फ वीडियोज़ ही मत देखो, थोड़ा बनाओ, थोड़ा खुद भी कुछ करो। क्योंकि करते करते आप खुद बहुत कुछ सीखते हो दूसरों को देखते।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
आपकी बैटरी जा रही है? बैटरी जा रही है ना?
उसके बाद में आपका कोई पर्सनल क्वेश्चन जिसमें आपको लाइव दे,
आप जो चाहें
नहीं फिर भी आप बताओ ना कोई ऐसा जो आप बताना चाहते हैं, संदेश देना चाहते हैं।
मैं 9 साल से रेडियो में हूँ और इट्स बीन अ वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी। सो टुडे आई एम हियर एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग फेम एज अ रेडियो जॉकी नाउ बिकॉज यू नो इट 9 साल लगे मुझे जिस मुकाम पे पहुंचने में। आई थिंक फेम के ज़रिए आप उस मुकाम पर पहुंच सकते हैं 9 महीने के अंदर। दैट इज़ द पावर ऑफ लाइव वीडियो, दैट्स द पावर ऑफ लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग। अब आप ये सोचिए 15,000 फैंस ऑन अ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म। आप ये सोचिए ट्विटर पे 1000 फैंस बनने में 5 साल लग जाते हैं। 1000 फैंस ट्विटर पे बनने में 5 साल लग जाते हैं। फेसबुक पे 5000 फैंस बनने में 5 साल लग जाएंगे। चलो आप बहुत बड़े स्टार भी हो, बहुत बड़े रेडियो जॉकी भी हो, तो आपको 1 साल तो लगेगा 5000 फैंस बनाने में। On #fame, it's right there. It's at that moment. So I have tried television. I have done Sony Entertainment Television pe Box Cricket League. So I hosted it. I had my fan following there. I have done radio for 9 years. I had my fan following there. But then it is a different exhilarating experience to be on #fame because it's you live, it's your life live there. I sit in my house, it's my bedroom, it's my paintings, you know, मेरे पीछे जो लगी होती है, it's like from my house, it's so personal, it's so nice.
फेम के साथ कैसे जुड़े?
मैं फीवर 104 FM के साथ में हूँ अभी। फीवर 104 FM मुंबई में रोज़ सुबह 7 से 11 मैड मॉर्निंग्स नाम से शो आता है मेरा। मुझे रंगीली रुचि बुलाया जाता है फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ रीजंस। आई हैव अ कलरफुल पर्सनैलिटी ऑन रेडियो, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड मी ऑन रेडियो। आई हैव बीन अ रेडियो जॉकी फॉर 9 years. दिस इज़ माई 10th year in radio now. So that is how my radio career has been. I am a veteran now at this early age because I started when I was 17.
बचपन में शुरू कर लिया था, दैट इज़ वाई आई थिंक बस अभी यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं।
फेम के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए जैसे
अभी तक तो मैं फेम के लिए लव एंड रिलेशनशिप शोज़ होस्ट कर रही हूँ, जो कि मुझे रेडियो पर भी मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट रहा है। सो एक तरफ जहाँ मीडिया में सब लोग सड़कों पे क्या हो रहा है, स्टॉक मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है, गड्ढे कहाँ पर हो गए हैं, एक्सीडेंट कहाँ हो गए हैं, कौन कहाँ मर रहा है, इट्स सो ट्रैजिक। आज की तारीख में न्यूज़ एंड मीडिया इज़ सो ट्रैजिक, उसके बीच में जस्ट टू फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग एंड टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ, इन योर लव लाइफ इज़ सो नाइस. So that is what I do with #fame right now. But then let's hope it increases my horizons. I can have Bollywood and interview show and something else. Maybe we'll just think of creative ideas.
अभी तक आप और सेलिब्रिटीज से पूछते थे, हम आपसे क्या बताना चाहिए, मतलब क्या कुछ नया आप जो बताना चाहते हैं जो अपने फैंस को या कुछ अपने।
मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि आज मैं यहाँ पर पहुँची हूँ। येस, एज अ रेडियो जॉकी आई हैव बिन ऑन द इंटरव्यूइंग एंड। हम इंटरव्यू करते थे और कोई सामने वाला जो था वो हमें आंसर करता था। सो दे यूज्ड टू बी द सेलिब्रिटी, दो एज अ रेडियो जॉकी यू आर प्रीटी मच अ सेलिब्रिटी, बट देन येस वी वर ऑन दिस साइड ऑफ द माइक। अगर हम माइक के उस तरफ पहुँच पाए हैं, आज मैं यहाँ पर बैठी हूँ, इट इज़ बिकॉज फेम गिव्स यू दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिकम अ स्टार। जो मुझे देख रहा है वो स्टार बन सकता है, जो कैमरा पकड़े हुए हैं वो अपनी कैमरा स्किल्स बता करके स्टार बन सकते हैं, आप इंटरव्यूइंग स्किल्स बता करके स्टार बन सकते हैं। इट्स लाइक एवरीबडी कैन बी अ स्टार, इट्स जस्ट दैट हर इंसान के अंदर टैलेंट है। सेल्समैन के पास में या मार्केटिंग वाले के पास में बेचने का टैलेंट है, उस टैलेंट के बारे में बात करो, बस अपना टैलेंट बताओ और स्टार बन जाओ।
न्यू कमर के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए आप जैसे आज एक्सपीरियंस?
बी कंसिस्टेंट, मतलब वट एवर यू डू, यू आर ऑन यूट्यूब, you are on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram or #fame, you have to be consistent. I give half an hour of my life every day and believe you me, every day means Saturdays and Sundays as well. So मैं रात की मूवीज़ देखने नहीं जाती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा शो जो है वो रात में 9:30 से 10 लाइव होता है फेम पर, और सुबह में 7 से 11 रेडियो पर होती हूँ। सुबह भी बिजी, रात में भी बिजी, बट यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट इफ़ यू नीड फैन फॉलोइंग, तभी रजिस्टर होगा। मीडिया इज़ अबाउट कंसिस्टेंसी।
कोई एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस जिसे आप जिसे बहुत ज़्यादा आप वो हैं एक्सप्रेशन, मतलब जिसको आप देखते हैं, पसंद करते हैं, लाइक करते हैं, या सबसे ज़्यादा आप किसको लाइक करते हैं, एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस?
अभी तो अगर मैं अभी क्योंकि डिजिटल की बात हो रही है तो हाल फिलहाल आपने शायद देखा होगा इसको शाहरुख खान इज़ रॉकिंग द इंटरनेट स्पेस। उन्होंने इतने क्रिएटिव तरीके से कुछ 3-4 सीरीज़ ऑफ वीडियोस निकाले थे, और तब आपको समझ में आएगा द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डिजिटल मीडिया। इफ़ अ पर्सन लाइक शाहरुख खान ऑल्सो नीड्स डिजिटल मीडिया टू प्रमोट हिमसेल्फ, अपने आप को उनको भी यूट्यूब पे और फेसबुक पे लाना पड़ रहा है, तो हम और आप कौन होते हैं? दैट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डिजिटल मीडिया एंड आई लव शाहरुख खान ऑन ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम, एवरीवेयर।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
एक विजुअल
Quietly.